Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie, and for today's 10-minute yoga practice, we are going to be exploring some hip opening and twists. So getting a full body morning yoga stretch. So when you're ready, we're going to begin our practice in a wide-legged child's pose. So you might begin to take the knees as wide as the mat if you have one, feet together, and then just beginning to melt down. Hands can be in front. You might make a pillow, stacking the fists or the palms. We're going to take 3 rounds of breath in our wide-legged child's pose. On your next inhale, we're going to begin to transition to a tabletop. Bring the hands to the earth, knees underneath the hips. And we're going to take some cat-cows. Exhaling, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. Inhaling, cow. And cat. Cow. Just easing into the practice. One last round, exhaling, pushing the earth away. Inhaling, making a smiley face with the spine, shoulders away from the ears. Coming to a neutral spine. And we're going to begin to take this right leg behind us, coming onto the toes to begin with. Beginning to lift that leg, going for length rather than height. Beginning to bend the knee. Just taking a few circles with the knee. Giving some weight into that right hand. And slowly coming back to stillness, sole of the foot going up towards the sky. We're going to begin to take the knee towards the nose. So as you exhale, knee to nose, rounding the spine. Inhaling, extending. We'll do that one more time. Exhaling, knee to nose. This time we're going to begin to bring the foot between the hands. So right foot in front. Tending up the fingertips. Inhaling, taking the arms up overhead. And for some, we might stay wide. You might take hovering, maybe palms come together. Pressing into that right foot. As we exhale, we're going to begin to take this left arm in front, right arm to the side, palms down, stretching the fingers. We can stay right here, beginning to open up, taking that right hand to the back of our space. Gaze can stay or go towards the back of the mat. Exhale, we're going to begin to come into an easy twist, planting that left hand down, right hand going up towards the sky. Gaze can follow. And beginning to release that right hand down. We're going to begin to tuck the back toe, lifting the left knee, runner's lunge. We're just going to marinate here for a moment. You might tent up the fingertips, rolling the shoulder blades down. Having a gentle rock or sway. Gently coming to stillness, we're going to begin to transition to a 3-legged dog. So beginning to slide or step that right leg back. Toes pointing down regardless of how high the leg is. Exhaling, downward dog. And just beginning to pedal. First dog of the practice. Exhaling, releasing the knees down to the earth. Coming into your cat. And then cow. Neutral spine. We're going to begin to take this all on the other side. So we're going to take that left leg behind us. Clarifying our foundation, navel to spine. Beginning to lift the left knee. Bending the knee. And beginning to take some hip circles. Circling with the knee. And go in both directions. And then gently coming back to stillness, sole of the foot up towards the sky. Exhaling knee to nose. Inhaling, extending. Doing that one more time. Exhaling knee to nose, rounding the spine. And begin to bring that left foot in front. Beginning to take the arms up overhead. Yogi's choice. As you exhale, bring that right arm in front, left to the side, palms down. Or begin to take that left hand behind. We're going to begin to come into that easy twist, releasing the right hand down to the earth, getting the foundation. Left hand going up towards the sky. Exhaling, releasing. Going to begin to tuck that back toe, lifting the right knee, and again, you might rock back and forth or side to side. We're going to begin to transition to your three-legged dog, sliding or stepping that left foot back. Exhaling, downward dog. Beginning to release the knees back down. I'm just going to take some hip circles here, taking the sit bones to the heels, shifting the weight from one hand to the other. And I'm going to begin to take that series again, taking a higher lunge. You're coming to your tabletop position, tucking the toes, coming into your downward dog. We're going to begin to come into that three-legged dog, bring the weight into the left foot, lifting the right heel, staying here, back of your space or up towards the sky. And we're going to begin to bend the knee. We're going to invite the knee towards the nose, rounding the spine, bring the weight into the hands. Inhaling, extending, three-legged dog. We're going to begin to bring this right foot in between. So exhaling, rounding the spine. Bring that right foot to the earth. Now, if you prefer, you can release that left knee, taking the foundational series. Otherwise, we'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Scissoring the legs together. Left arm coming in front, right arm out or towards the back. We're going to begin to come into that easy twist, releasing the left hand down, right hand up towards the sky. Releasing that right hand down. If you've released the left knee, tucking the toe, lifting the knee, transitioning back to our three-legged dog. And then downward dog. And we can take this on the other side, so bring the weight into that right foot, lifting the left heel, your tripod dog. Bending the knee, and then beginning to invite the knee in towards the nose, slightly shifting the weight into the hands. Exhaling, three-legged dog. Exhaling, knee to nose. And then inviting that left foot between the hands. Again, coming into your foundation if you prefer. Inhaling the arms up. Right arm in front, left arm to the side or back. And gently beginning to release that right hand down. Easy twist. And beginning to release the left hand down, framing our front foot, lifting that right knee if we're in foundation. We're going to begin to transition back to our three-legged dog. And then down dog. We're going to take a flow. So we're going to come up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into the hands. And then we'll begin to come into a bit of a chaturanga. So we're going to shift the weight. Elbows in towards the rib cage. Flipping the feet, upward dog. Beginning to roll over the feet, coming into your downward dog. Gently beginning to release the knees down to the earth. We're going to come back to our wide-kneed child's pose. Knees as wide as the mat, feet together. Letting the sit bones come down. Hands can stay in front. You might begin to take the hands in prayer, and then maybe prayer to the back of the head. Thumbs along the neck. Just taking a lovely upper body, upper arm stretch. And beginning to release the prayer. And we'll come up to kneeling, lifting the torso. And I bring the knees together. We'll finish with a breath, taking the arms up overhead, gaze can follow. Exhaling the hands down into the heart space. And gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being in your practice. And carving out this 10 minutes to get the body and the energy moving for your day. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe. If you'd like to check out any of the other 10-minute videos, see the playlist in the description link below. Have an amazing day.